Recently bought a boat, and I'm having to do a few little repairs on it, modifications and all that. You can see that in other videos. But what I have here is the running bunks on the sides for my trailer, and the ones that are on it kind of have that black carpet, and it's torn on the corners and kind of chipping away and all that. So I thought I'd go ahead and reupholster them. So I was trying to get them off and figured out real quick that they'd have to be taken off when the boat's not on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make new ones. The ones on it now are 33 inches by 3.5 by 1.5 inches, probably out of plywood or some kind of I think it might be a layered up plywood, or I don't think it's 2x4, but I guess you could do either. But instead of using those, I wanted to use some of my 8/4 poplar, which I've got it cut to length and width, but I need to bring it down. And I think I'm going to leave it this thickness, just give me a little extra width and, you know, tuckness on the thing, because when I drill it out, I'm going to recess my bolt in anyway. So, but one thing I'm doing with this that may not have been done with the original bunks is I'm going to really smooth these corners. Every corner of this and edge I'm going to knock down with the sander so that it's less likely to cut the carpet in those areas. So let's get busy. Right, I've now got the hard corners knocked off all this, so hopefully the carpet will last longer on them. And this is a really good hard wood, so I expect it'll last longer than the wood that was on there before too. So, all right, we're going to start upholstering it. First, I got to drill the holes and put the bolts in, and then we can upholster it. What I'm doing here is drilling a 1/4 inch hole in the center of the hole I previously drilled for the washer and the bolt.